What's going on, Fort McMurray? It's Jeff Batchelor, your #1 automotive sales professional, back again with another Whiteboard Wednesday, helping you maneuver the numbers in your new or used finance vehicle, because I got your back for life and I want to make buying a vehicle as easy as possible. Now, I wanted to share with you a situation that I was recently faced with. I had a young lady who had a vehicle that she loved. It was out of warranty and she was looking to get into something new and lower her payment. But what I heard when she said lower her payment was lower her total cost of driving. And what I mean by that is, if you were to rent an apartment and you didn't consider the cost of parking, your utilities, your internet and cable all into your living cost, well, you're just missing the point. A $1,000 condo that has nothing included versus a $1,500 condo that has everything included, you're probably saving money on the $1,500 condo. So I want to walk you through exactly what I did for her, which is going to save her over $3,000 a year. So follow me along. Her current payment on her vehicle was $800 a month. Her insurance on that vehicle was another $100 a month. She was spending $150 a month on fuel, and because she didn't have a service plan from us, she was spending about $300 to $400 a year just getting regular oil changes and oil filters and cabin filters, as well as spending another $500 a year switching over her wheels and tires. If you take that and you divide it by 12, that's another $100 a month that she's spending just on maintaining her vehicle. And then here's the kicker. In the last year, she spent over $3,000 keeping this vehicle running. New tires, new starter, and other things. Now, $3,000 in one calendar year, you divide that by 12, that's another $250 a month. So although she was very comfortable with her $800 a month payment, we're now looking at $1,150. We're looking at a $1,400 monthly cost of driving. So guess what? Here's the solution I found her. I found her an almost new Jeep Grand Cherokee with only 6,000 kilometers on it. Included with the Jeep was a 5-year extended warranty with all the oil changes and tire rotations included. She checked out her insurance. It went up $25. Because we went from a V6 to a 4-cylinder, she's going to save about $25 a month on fuel. Because her maintenance is included in the vehicle, there's no bill there. And because this vehicle's got a 5-year warranty on it, there's no repairs either. Her new cost of driving on this vehicle is $1,250. That's $150 saving times 12 months is almost $3,000 a year. So if you're not considering all parts of your driving, you might be missing the point. So even if your vehicle's payment's going up, but everything else is going down, you're going to save money at the end. If you want to save money like my previous customer did, just reach out to me at 416-523-6585 and I'll show you just how easy it is. I got your back for life.